The other group of words, that I have selected ends with ITY. It is not ET, that I is actually reduced to a schwa. Ari or a T. Ability, security, not reties, capacity, quantity, activity, priority, majority, locality. The other set of words that I have picked is especially the R dominated set of words. They may end with RE, AR, ER, OR, or even OUR. For example, words ending with RE. Feature, picture, not feature, picture, culture, theta, capture, mixture, ending with the AR. Sugar, similar, regular, grammar,